Hello friends, how are you? And now we are going to discuss about how to become an IAS officer. Becoming an IAS officer is a dream for many aspirants in India. It is considered one of the most prestigious and sought after job in the country. However, it is also one of the toughest exam to crack. In this comprehensive guide, we will provide you with a step-by-step process on how to become an IAS officer. So, first thing first, understanding the exam. The first step toward becoming an IAS officer is to understand the exam. The Civil Services Examination, known as CSE, is conducted by the Union Public Service Commission, also known as UPSC, every year. This exam is conducted in three stages: prelims, mains, and interview. Now, let's discuss about the prelims exam. Prelims exam is an objective time exam, while the mains exam is a descriptive one. The interview is the final stage of the exam. So let's start with the prelims. The prelims exam consists of two papers: General Studies (GS) and Civil Services Aptitude Test, known as CSAT. The GS paper consists of questions from topics such as polity, economy, geography, history, science and technology, environment and ecology. Now this is a very growing field and one of the most important in current affairs, which involves India and the world. The CSAT paper consists of questions from topics such as logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and English comprehension. Now, here we go, and we are going to discuss about the mains examination. So, main examination, this consists nine papers. The first two papers are the language papers, one of which must be in English. There is one thing, that is one paper is in English, compulsory. The next two papers are on general studies, followed by four paper on optional subject and one paper on essay writing. So this is one of the basic fundamentals. So there are four papers of the general studies, optional subjects, right? Paper one and paper two. So this is the basic structure of UPSC mains. Ethics is one of the most important part nowadays in UPSC mains examination. So candidates who qualify the mains exam are called for an interview. The interview panel assesses the candidate's personality, communication skill, and overall suitability for the job. Before you embark on this journey, it's crucial to understand the eligibility criteria. So to appear for the CSE, yani that means to appear for the CSE examination, candidate must meet the eligibility criteria set by the UPSC. The eligibility criteria patch. The eligibility criteria include age limit, educational qualification, and nationality. The candidate must be a citizen of India and must have completed their graduation from a recognized university. The age limit for general category candidate is 21 to 32 years. However, there are relaxation for the candidates belonging to certain categories. Now, let's dive into the most crucial aspect of this journey: preparation. Preparation is the key to cracking the CSE. Aspirants need to put in a lot of hard work and dedication to prepare for the exam. The syllabus for the exam is vast and it covers a wide range of topics. Aspirant must have a strong foundation in their basics and must be well versed in current affairs. They must also practice writing answers and develop their analytical and writing skills. So let's starting with the preliminary exam preparation. Aspirant must start their preparation for the preliminary exam by understanding the syllabus and exam patterns. They must read standard books and newspapers to improve their knowledge and understanding of current affairs. They must also take mock tests and solve previous year question paper to get a feel of the exam. Now, it is very important to prepare mains examination very seriously. Moving on to the mains exam preparation, aspirant must start their preparation for the mains exam by choosing their optional subject very carefully. They must have a good understanding of the subject and must also consider the scoring potential of the subject. They must read standard books and solve previous year question paper to improve their knowledge and understanding of the subject. Now, we are going to discuss about the interview preparation. Interview preparation. Aspirant must start their preparation for the interview by reading newspaper, magazine and books. They must also be aware of the current affairs and must develop their communication skill. Aspirant must also prepare for questions related to their academics and the personal background. One final piece of advice for you: choosing optional subject. Aspirant must choose their optional subject carefully. The mains exam has 9 papers. Becoming an IS officer is a journey filled with challenges, but with the right guidance and dedication, it is an achievable dream. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with a roadmap for success. Remember, preparation is the key, and every step you take brings you closer to your goal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. Share your thoughts and question in the comment section below, and we will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your journey to becoming an ICE officer. Thank you.